Okay, we're using the soot eater chimney cleaning system. It basically just looks like a weed eater head on a long fiberglass pole that you hook to a drill, and it just beats the living snot out of the inside of your chimney pipe, and all the creosote and all the soot and everything stuck up there falls down. It works pretty good. This is what it is right here. Just a bunch of basically plastic strips ran through a ball. Hook it on the end of here. Got a little push button. And then heat it up in the stove and run it from a drill like this and just let her eat. And then once you get the ball on the end, you just stuff it right up the chimney pipe, hooking them together as you go. Then once you have all of them stuck together, you push it all the way up in there till you reach the top. Just continue the process until you pull one pole length out, take it off, reattach the drill to the next one, and work your way back down. I always run this around in there and knock everything else down too. Well guys, that's how we'll end this one. I just wanted to do a quick video on how we clean out our fireplace every year. This is actually our first burn. We haven't had to do anything yet this year. Probably should have when it got in that cold snap real good, but the wind was so bad, it would have blown all the smoke right back down the chimney on us. For some reason it does that to us on the real windy nights. But I run that cleaner up through there and knock everything loose, and then we'll burn a fire for about a week. Then after that I'll put one of those CSL chimney sweeping logs in, and nice hot fire with that. And that should clear everything out. Hope you guys learned something. You can pick that tool up at Menards. I think it's like 40 bucks, or it was when I bought it, probably a little more now. But it's a lifesaver. You don't have to climb up on the roof. You don't have to worry about falling off the house. And hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, and follow, guys. I appreciate you.